What is cryptocurrency wallet? Simply put, a crypto wallet is a tool you can use to interact with the blockchain network. The various kinds of wallet can be grouped into three. We have software, hardware, paper wallets. But depending on their working mechanisms, they may also be referred to as hot or cold wallet. So how do they work? Contrary to popular belief, crypto wallets don't really store cryptocurrencies. Instead, they work as a sort of gateway, providing tools you need to communicate the blockchain. In other words, this wallet can generate all information you need to use cryptocurrency. Let's take an example. Imagine that Amina wants to build a brand new Bitcoin wallet to receive a payment from John. The easiest way for her to do that is the use of crypto wallet program. When Amina creates a new wallet, the program generates multiple pairs of public and private keys along with several blockchain addresses. But to simplify this, let's consider only one pair of keys and a single address. First, the program calculates the pair of keys, one public key and one private key. Next, the public key is used to generate a unique Bitcoin address. This is the address Amina needs to provide John. John then sends Bitcoin from his wallet to Amina's wallet. Note that the coin never leaves the blockchain. They are just moved from one address to another. While it's safer, Amina shares her Bitcoin addresses. She should never disclose her private keys to anyone. The private key is used for signing new transactions and is what gives Amina a kind of a privilege access to her funds. So even if Amina loses her computer or smartphone, she can use the private key to access her coins in any other device. She may even use it on a different wallet. But this also means that if anyone gets to know Amina's private key, they can steal her funds. Amina can also use her private key to recover her public key in blockchain addresses. Basically, private key provides all the other components, and that's why it's the most important element of any cryptocurrency wallet in practice. However, most modern wallets make use of a seed phrase. Seed phrase can be used to generate multiple private keys. So instead of making a backup of each of private key in her wallet, Amina only needs to back up the wallet seed phrase. In other words, the seed phrase works like a root key. It gives access to all keys and addresses in Amina's wallet. Now that we have covered the basics, let's explore the different types of crypto wallets. As discussed earlier, cryptocurrency wallet may be classified into hot or cold depending on how they operate. A hot wallet is any wallet that is connected somehow to the internet. For example, when Amina creates an account on say Binance and sends funds to her wallet, she is depositing into Binance hot wallet. Hot wallets are convenient for traders and frequent users because they are easy to set up and the funds are quickly accessible. On the other hand, cold wallet tend to be an alternative way to store her bitcoins because they have no connection to the internet. Instead, they use a physical medium to store the keys offline. This makes it very resistant to hackers. This method is also known as cold storage and is particularly suitable for long-term investors. When it comes to the three main types of crypto wallet, there are software, hardware, and paper wallet. Software wallet comes in at least three different types. We have the web wallet, the desktop wallet, and the mobile wallet. Now, the web wallet. The web wallet allows Amina to interact with the blockchain via browser interface, so she doesn't need to download or install anything on her computer. In contrast, a desktop wallet is a software wallet Amina needs to download and execute locally in her machine. In general, desktop wallets are considered safer than web wallet. Lastly, we have mobile wallet, which works much like the desktop wallet but are designed specifically as mobile apps. These are the ones Amina can use on her smartphones, giving her convenient access to her funds. Trust Wallet is a prominent example of a mobile crypto wallet. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies and it is also integrated with the Binance Decentralized Exchange. Most software wallets are somehow connected to the internet, and as such, they may also be referred to as hot wallets. What about hardware wallet? Hardware wallet are physical electronic devices that use a random number generator (RNG) to generate public and private keys. The keys are stored in the device itself without any connection to the internet. As such, hardware wallet may present a secure alternative for cold storage, especially for long-term holders, but funds stored in hardware wallet tend to be less accessible, making them somehow inconvenient to traders and frequent users. Lastly, we have paper wallet. A paper wallet is a piece of paper on which a blockchain address and its private keys are physically printed out, usually as QR codes. So Amina can generate and print a paper wallet and then send funds to it by scanning the QR codes. However, paper wallet present numerous flaws and their usage is now discouraged. A major flaw of paper wallet is that they aren't suitable for sending funds partially, but only the entire balance all at once. This flaw resulted in many people losing funds. Regardless of which one that you want to use or you choose to use, make sure to back them up regularly. Also, losing access to your crypto wallet can be quite costly in many cases. This can be achieved by simply backing up the wallet data file and seed freeze often. Closing thoughts. Majority of crypto wallets are based on software, which makes them more convenient than hardware wallet. But hardware wallet tend to be the most secure alternative. Paper wallet, on the other hand, are deemed as obsolete and unreliable. It is worth noting that crypto wallets are an integral part of using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Each wallet type has its advantages and disadvantages, so it is crucial to understand how they are before moving your funds to them. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel, as this brings us to the end of what are crypto wallets for beginners. I believe and hope that you must have learned a lot about wallet types and what they are actually used for, and it is actually worth noting that you cannot do the crypto space or you cannot understand the blockchain space entirely without you understanding what crypto wallets are. Thanks a lot. We really appreciate you for coming here. We really appreciate you for staying put. Make sure you subscribe, share to your loved ones for them to understand what blockchain is all about.